I need to download a large number of files from different websites as fast as possible. What's the most efficient way to do this in Python?
For high-performance downloading, you might want to use PyCurl. It's a Python interface to the libcurl library, which is known for its speed and features.
I'm not very familiar with PyCurl. How do I start using it?
First, you need to install it. You can do this using pip. Once installed, you can start using it to make HTTP requests. Here's a basic example to get you started.
That looks straightforward. But how does it handle downloading files?
PyCurl is highly efficient for downloading files. You can direct the output to a file instead of an in-memory buffer. Here's how.
Can PyCurl handle multiple downloads at once?
Absolutely. PyCurl can be used with multi-threading or multiprocessing in Python to download multiple files concurrently. However, managing threads and processes can be a bit tricky.
I see. And what about error handling? How does PyCurl deal with network issues or failed downloads?
PyCurl can be configured to retry failed downloads. You can set options like timeout, max retries, and others to handle such scenarios. Here's an example.
This is very helpful. Are there any advanced features I should know about?
Yes, PyCurl supports features like cookies, headers, multi-part form posting, proxies, and more. It's incredibly versatile and can handle complex HTTP scenarios.
Sounds like a powerful tool. Thanks for the guidance.
You're welcome. Remember, while PyCurl is powerful, it's a bit lower level compared to libraries like requests. If you don't need the advanced performance and features of PyCurl, simpler libraries might be more suitable for basic tasks.